How to unmould a little candle from a silicone mould if it's your first time unmoulding a candle. As you can see, this one is from a little bubble mould, and when it comes out of the mould it will look like this. Super cool and absolutely beautiful. The first tip I'm going to give you guys is to take your time. Don't rush this. You will find with the mould you do get a little bit of resistance with the silicone adherent to the wax, so just take your time and don't panic. It's absolutely 100% normal for that little candle to want to stay in that mould and adhere to that mould. The next tip I'm going to give you guys is to wear these, some lovely gloves, especially if you have nails like these. It just protects the candle as you are getting it out of the mould. You'd be surprised how easy it is to take a chunk out of this beautiful candle as you're moulding it if you've got lovely nails. What we're going to do first of all is just to start to tease the sides of the mould just to release the seal. And remember, this side is the bottom of your candle, guys. The actual top of your candle will be this bit here. So as you're unmoulding as well, just be careful of your wick, that you don't pull your wick and accidentally damage it. But this bit will be trimmed off. And then with both hands, again, you are going to start to peel away at the side of the moulds, just to start releasing that lock even further. And this will take a fair bit of strength, guys, so don't be afraid to give a good old pull, but don't force it. If you force it, you may well damage the candle. Just take your time and do it steady and slow. So just tease away, and gradually it will release more and more of the candle. There. Here you are, guys. I'm getting this done in real time. You can see it almost doesn't want to release the candle, but it will do. Just take your time. And then this last bit, just super gentle, guys. Just steady and slow, because we don't want to damage the wick. And there we are. You've got your beautiful candle. I know the first time you unmould one of these, it will feel like a bit of a fight. Don't worry, it's perfectly normal. Like I say, just take your time and you will get there eventually. And just to show you, it hasn't damaged the mould at all. I know sometimes it looks a bit brutal when you get to that 2/3 of the way through and you're trying to get the candle out, but look, absolutely no damage there whatsoever. And in terms of the candle, let me show you. Absolutely beautiful. This is why we wear the gloves with my lovely talons, my lovely nails. It's happened a few times. I've taken a good chunk out of that as I've been unmoulding. But if you wear the gloves, absolutely beautiful. No marks, no scratches. Just a really lovely candle. And then the bottom bit just snips off, of course, the bottom bit of the wick, leaving the top of the candle. And then that lovely candle, once you've trimmed the wick at the top and given it some cure time, depending on the type of wax you've used, then that lovely candle's ready to be enjoyed.